Dang, take 3. I'm having a hard time getting a short opening. I don't know why. So, everybody's fed. Yeah, Cowboy's interested in one of them this morning. And Ty should be on her way out by now with Blakely. I guess Blakely didn't sleep well last night. Something to do with being full of snot. But Ty put her in her car this morning and sent a picture of a kid that was out like a light. So hopefully she'll get the sleep she needs today to be happy for her birthday party tonight. Hi, Wally. And yeah, we're supposed to have like a dozen people over tonight. We got to get the kitchen / mudroom cleaned up. Put the doors on the cabinets and stuff, because I guess that's where we're going to have it. That way Mom can enjoy part of it too. She has everything she's got going on, she has a hard time swallowing, so she's very self-conscious about eating in front of anyone, and I don't blame her. So, I mean, she's going to eat some food we're going to have, but she may do that on her own time. But she's going to partake in some cake anyway. An Iceman, little bugger. Anyway, get a few more things done before Ty gets here, and then hopefully get those doors on. Thought about starting that by myself, but that's kind of a pain in the butt. The ones that go back on the direction they were is no big deal. There's already holes there for the screws. I could probably hold them up there and do that, but the others, not so much. Oh, Ty made it here, and Blakeley's awake. This is apparently the smash cake. It's supposed to be a Highland cow. Why we have to have Highland, I don't know. We don't have Highlands.
Because it's harder to make a...
Because it's harder to make a Hereford?
Yeah. And Highlands are just cute.
Since Becky says Highlands are just cute, I gotta show you something else. There's the something else. That's what I get to see every time I take a shower.
Once again, they don't make Herefords.
She says, oh, they don't make
Hold on,
Herefords.
you got to happy birthday.
Okay, happy birthday.
It doesn't feel good.
She's got
I see that.
That's not
She's
crying.
not
That's
crying.
actually...
Yeah,
Just say happy birthday. I won today.
she looks happy.
You won today? Yeah.
Hopefully she stays a happy girl.
It's yours later.
And I had to move those to get stuff to the fridge, and yeah, I got most of it off. There's still a little bit. Hopefully it's not all over the chair. I'm getting there. The one on the bucket there and this one on the chair go on that one. Those two go on that one, but we're putting them on the other way. So I've got to go find a drill bit to drill pilot holes for the screws that hold them in the cabinet. And I stepped out here. As soon as I looked up, yep, that's the grass thief out there. She seems to be pretty much hanging from there over to the trees. Kind of wondered she might have a baby out there. Becky was talking to her dad last night. Usually, we don't see fawns born till basically like the 10th of June. I mean, sometimes they're a little earlier. Usually it's around the 10th. And I don't know, it was yesterday or day before, he found a dead one. He didn't know if the coyotes got to it or maybe his dog did. I doubt his dog did, though. I mean, he's good at finding deer, but he's a nice, gentle soul. I don't think he would have done it. But anyway, so that kind of sucks. Well, like I said, I gotta find me a little tiny drill bit. Drill me some pilot holes. Oh yeah, I finally got all that zip tied together into there yesterday and got the panels back on. Yet still haven't got to the frickin' tractor. And I always park everything in my way. One thing about it, at least this stuff's on wheels, right? Smashed my hand right there. And that cart, I don't know, I guess you get what you pay for. It stayed up for a few days. Hobo freight cart. Still don't know where it leaks for sure. But there's no puddle on the floor where it was this time. Kind of interesting. So anyway, I'm going to dig through the little ones here. Actually, I might have to get into the smaller ones. Because I don't think any, oh, there might be one there small enough. There they are. They originally opened this way. All of them did. Now that one opens this way. That one opens this way. Those two are switched around. That'll get corrected later. And yeah, you can see tie's not really a stainer. She kind of went every which direction when she put it on and wiped it off. You're supposed to go with the grain. So some of it she did. And there's some, like the edge of that door, just wouldn't take it. She even went over that twice and still didn't take it. Tis what it is. The kick, toe kick, whatever you call it. Once they're in place, we'll stain a hunk of 1x or something and put across that. But I'm leaving the installation part to my brother-in-law when he's here. Maybe he'll have something to cap the top with him too. Or she'll leave the top and have to get up there and vacuum it around her knickknacks or something. I don't know. Anyway, I am done in here for the day. It's time to get some lunch. I got a bunch of stuff we got to do besides this today. Plus, what all's going on with this today? Because this is apparently where we are having Blakelys' birthday party. That's what I was told. So, that's all I know. Before I lose this little bugger, go put him back in the shop. They all think they're out of pasture. They're not. I still haven't gotten out to put the C90 on that other yet, but it's greening up nicely again. They still got a lot of time on that, I hope. Boys need a bale back here, but that ain't gonna happen today. I think everything's supposed to be ready anyway for Blakelys' birthday party. I hope she's ready for it. She don't feel good. She's laying on toilet in there, napping and snoring because her head's so full of snot. I feel sorry for the poor baby. I really do. So, get the feeding done. They've been pretty well grouped up today. I got a feeling it's flies. I did, Becky got salt the other day, so I mixed up most of a bag of salt with about half of the garlic we had left over. Found somewhere where some guy says he mixes it 1 pound of garlic powder to 50 pounds of salt. I may be a little on the heavy side, but I was even heavier last time I mixed it, so they'll get over it. It might be gone by morning, I don't know. But anyway, call it about the end for today's video. I got a little tiny bit of that C90 left, so I gave him some. It's salt and garlic mixed. And I had enough for him. The spoiled little boy, huh? Aren't you? I found a spoiled boy. And both bags of feed still over there. Kind of a pain in the ass getting the steers scooped out tonight because there's only a couple buckets full left, and that'll get by another day or two if we have to. But I think tomorrow's going to be a busy day, not getting anything done in the shop. And they changed the weather forecast again. Now we got the next 9 days anyway. It's not supposed to rain, and it might get warm. And we ain't anywhere near. I mean, we can't even make small bales because that tractor's sitting in the shop. Yay. There, like how I do that. I don't have to hold it that way. And she'll probably be the only one to eat down there since she's out. The boys are currently locked up, but if I feed them now, as long as she doesn't eat all of it, they'll get dinner later when they get let out. I don't know what time everybody's supposed to be here. I know Maury was headed home half an hour ago. And young Mr. Ben, little Ben as they call him, he should have been home from school a while ago. And they're going to head out. Nick showed up a little bit ago. I think he just didn't have to work, so he decided to come out. Becky was going to invite him, but she hadn't, so Becky's friend Sue is here. She brought a couple of tables to use, but the two tables together take up almost the whole room in there. So we folded one back up and put one of our tables with it. So I'll see what I get for a video later. Showed you the smash cake anyway. Hopefully get a little something. It might even be a short, but I won't put it up as a short. If it's that short, I'll put it up as a regular video anyway. Shorts just kind of, they're like TikTok videos. They kind of bring in a lot more people just for that video. Just a personal thing. So anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope y'all had a great Tuesday. Hope everybody has a great hump day. And hey, hit the thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't. You know, I'm not into asking for it, but it's been working lately, every now and then. Matt the Scrap Whisperer, he even asked for it. He's got over 900 subs now. So, hey, if you're not there, check him out. He'll be in the comments at some point if you don't know how to find him.